Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today, we're painting a peaceful autumn landscape on a black canvas, a calm forest scene where golden trees reflect their beauty in the still water. I start by using a dry sponge and white paint, gently tapping over the canvas to create a smooth, even background for the sky. This gives us a perfect base for the next layers. Next, with a 10mm brush, I softly paint the distant hills. And the darker base for the trees using a tapping motion. There's no need to cover everything. Those darker spots will help add depth. Nature is beautiful on its own, but when we look at it from a unique angle, it becomes even more special, alive, and full of emotion. Then, using lighter tones, I paint the grass under the trees and start shaping the tree lines in the distance. Each tree gets its own color by adding a touch of yellow, blue, or red. I give every one of them a unique personality because no two trees in nature are exactly the same. What I share here is simply what I've learned through my own artistic journey. I'm certain many of you have incredible skills. I'd be so happy if you share your painting experiences and favorite techniques with me. For the reflection, I use a large brush and drag the darker tones downward to form the mirror image of the trees. Then I add lighter colors in the same way to bring out the glow of the water. With a smaller brush, I gently paint the subtle ripples and soft movement on the lake's surface. For the lake itself, I use light blue tones, blending in lighter and darker streaks to add depth and a sense of life to the water. Art connects us from every corner of the world. Let me know in the comments, from which country are you joining me today? On the far side of the painting, I add a patch of land with a few soft grasses leaning gently in the breeze. Then I begin painting the reflections of the autumn trees in the foreground, letting the colors melt beautifully into the water. Now it's time for the tall autumn trees. Using a round brush, I tap in shades of yellow, orange, and a hint of red to bring the leaves to life. The birch tree trunks come next. I use smooth, curved strokes to give them a natural roundness. Then switch to a smaller brush to add fine branches weaving through the leaves. The trees in the foreground are painted thicker and brighter to enhance the sense of depth. While the base color of the trunks dries, I highlight the rocks in the front with lighter tones to make them pop under the sunlight. Finally, I add the soft reflections of the front trees and the distinctive patterns on the bark. and with a few gentle strokes, I complete the final branches. I hope you enjoyed this painting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorial.